Welcome to Living in the Journey. I'm Nat.
And I'm Sean.
Welcome to Living in the Journey. I'm Nat.
And I'm Sean.
Things have slowed down a little bit, but we do have some pretty cool content to show you this week. Sean's getting the cabinet together for the kitchen.
Yeah, I started designing, drawing on the wall, how to lay this new custom sink we have that we put in this RV. It's going to be a farmhouse sink. She decided on which one we was going to get. And my task was how to make it work. And you can see it's a lot of challenges.
Yeah, I mean, you don't want to block the stuff that's going to be inside that cabinet. It's not a typical kitchen cabinet. I also wanted to continue to keep access to things in case things breaks. What's some of the stuff inside that cabinet?
Well,
you have that radio.
We have the heater.
But you don't need the heater.
Yeah.
You have that vent that needs to be there. What else? Some kind of wires
There's
to
all kind of wires and switches
fridge.
Yeah.
You don't want to block access to that,
And
so
we
he
had
had to
drain.
Yeah. So he had to do like a little maze, like a little custom maze, and it came out really well.
We decided to remove the gas stove in this countertop. We're gonna go with like an electric.
We never
skillet.
used ours.
Yeah,
Y'all drop some comments. You use yours?
We cook outside. We don't cook inside.
Yeah, and if we cook inside because of weather, it's in a convection oven. It's they love an excuse to eat ramen noodles because we don't really eat that. Ramen noodles, biscuits, pizza, easy stuff in the convection. I used the stove once in the other camper,
Yeah,
and had the fire alarm going off over some quesadillas.
Yeah.
I mean, shoot, but yeah. What else we gonna have in this video this week, Sean?
Well, I have Bella in the camper with me, and she's doing a real good job.
She's been liking to help.
Yeah, she wants to help out, and she's putting up some hardware and taking out staples. It's a big job.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, you get to see you might get to see a lot of the new color that we put in. We laid down. I don't know if you saw that a whole lot, but you're gonna see it a whole lot now. Chantilly lace on the walls. You might see the pops of color I brought in. And don't forget, check us out on Instagram. It's living.in.the.journey. And I do like little snippets of stuff ahead of time. Like right now on there, you have you get a glimpse of the countertop and the new sink. But these videos are really cool for anybody else wanting to renovate their RV because we really get down to the meat and potatoes on how things should or shouldn't be done. Hey, if you catch us doing something you feel that we could do better, let us know. Something that you wish we would have explained that we didn't, let us know.
Today, we're going to go ahead and start installing some hardware for the cabinets. We finished painting inside, well, most of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to start putting stuff back together. We're going to move some of the items that's in the way. We're going to put them into the trailer that we have back here, just for storage. And what we're going to do is try to get everything started prepping for flooring. Because hopefully within the next couple of weeks we can have somebody come in and help us do some floors. thing we're missing right now is some little felt pieces. I'm gonna put some felt in the corner so they don't slam on the paint and take the paint off. I'm gonna get that another day.
We're throwing in some handles on the cabinets. It's hard because I'm not left-handed.
We're starting to draw up on the wall how our cabinet's gonna go and what we're gonna use with that form sink. How big of a sink we can actually put. I don't think we were trying to put like a 24-inch sink, but I don't think it's gonna fit. We're gonna end up having to go with a 20-inch sink. With that being said, I have to lay out on the wall and figure out where the partitions have to go over the heater, because I gotta try to build a box and separate all that stuff. So that's kind of what I'm brainstorming right now, is what I'm gonna actually do next. Let me show y'all what I'm up against right now. It's nothing bad, but I'm trying to design this cabinet so it's gonna house this form sink, and there's just a little bit of room. So I've been racking my brains all morning long on what to do right here. I guess I kind of figured it out. I'm gonna add some wood for support, and I guess you just got to get at it, you know. It's coming slow. that's it for this week's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Drop the comments down below.
Check us out on Instagram. Deuces.